Assalamualaikum and hi. So today our group will present about our data warehousing project. So our team member consists of Muhammad Fatu Zikri Aulia, Muhammad Zul Iman Harith, Ahmad Hasrul Yusti, and Muhammad Amin. So here we can look our data, which is it tell about the important prospective payment system in several hospitals. So as we can look here, we got several table, which is DRG definition, provider ID, provider name, provider street address, provider city, provider state, provider zip code, hospital referral region descriptions, total discharge, average cover, charge, average total payment, and the last one is average Medicare payment. So for the example here, we can see the first sample, which is number 2. We can see the DRG definition, which is the type of treatment in each of the hospital. So for the first one, we got 039, which is extracranial procedure W/OCC/MCC, and the provider ID is 10001, and the provider name Sultan Alabama Medical Center. So the next one, we go to the provider street address, which is the location of the hospital, which is 1108 Rose Clark Circle. Provider city is Dothan, and provider state is AL. The zip code is 36301. Hospital referral region description is Al Dothan. So the next one is total discharge of this hospital is 91. Coverage charge is 32963.07. The average total payment is 5777.24, and the last one is average Medicare payment 476373. So here is the data collection of the payment. We got several data here, and we go to the bus metric. So at the bus metric, data warehouse bus metric, we got business process, we got fact table, we got granularity, we got facts, dream provider, deemed discharge, and the last one is the Medicare payment. So for the business process, we have provider payment, provider Medicare payments, and the facts table, we got fact provider Medicare payment. The granularity is a rule represent the Medicare payment for the patient who are discharged according to the hospital referral region description. And the last one is the fact is about the payment. Right, thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Muhammad Zul Iman Haris. We'll be talking about the dimensional modeling worksheets. So this is the dimension provider table. This table tells about the details of the provider. The provider means the service provider, which is the hospital. So in this table it has 8 columns, and the first one is the first column is the provider key. It is the primary key for this table. And the next column is DRG definitions, which is the type of treatment that they serve. Then the next one is provider ID. The next one after provider ID is the name of the hospital, and then the street address, the city, the state, and the zip code of the hospital. So the next dimension is the dimension discharge table. It has 5 columns. The first one is discharge key, which is the primary key, and then the provider ID, which is the foreign key in this table, and the primary key in the dimension provider table. The next one is the hospital, which is the where is the hospital located in the regional area. After that is the total discharge, means how many patients discharged from this hospital, and then the average covered charge for every patient. The third dimension is the dimension payment. It has 5 column name. The first column is the payment key, which is the primary key for this table. Then the provider ID, it is foreign key for this table and the primary key for the provider table. And the next one is hospital, the regional area where the hospital located, and then the average total payments and the average Medicare payment. So the last one is the fact table. This table is about the amount of payment according to the providers. It has 5 columns. The first one is provider procedure key. It's the primary key for this table, and then second one is provider key. It's the foreign key to dimension provider, and the third one is discharge key. It's the foreign key to the dimension payment, and then the fourth one is payment key. Is a foreign key to dimension discharge, and the last one is payment details. Payment details, amount, average total payment, and Medicare paid. That's all. Thank you.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Amin bin Muhammad Fauzi. Now I will present about the dimensional model diagram and data warehouse with the sample data. First, I will present about the dimensional model diagram. The diagram consists of 4 tables, which is 1 fact table and 3 dimension table. Fact table is fact providers Medicare payment, and the 3 dimension table is dim payment, dim provider, and dim discharge. The primary key for dim discharge is discharge key, provider key for dim provider, and payment key for dim payment. So this is the dimensional model diagram for our project. Next, I will present about the data warehouse. The first is the dim provider table. We put the sample data in each of the column. This is the data warehouse for the table dim provider. Next is dim payment table. This is the table for the dim payment data warehouse. And lastly, this is the table for dim discharge data warehouse with the sample data. So that's all from our group for this project. Thank you.